Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. Well, actually welcome to the third video of the progress on our house remodeling project. I'm going to drive there, and I have roughly 2 hours time between all my work meetings. I'm going to show you what happened for the past week actually. In the previous video you saw the progress on the deck that we demolished. We were removing the old deck to replace it with a brand new deck. The plan was extending the size, so we had some progress. And for the inside, I know in the first video I showed you a tour of the house, but obviously with any remodeling project the first step will be demo. So basically demolishing what's in there to replace them with the brand new items, like the hardwoods, like the kitchen, like the bathrooms, vanity, tiles, bathtubs, toilets, whatsoever. So we had some progress on that as well. So just got here and I'm gonna start from the backyard and the deck. When I showed up right now, nobody was working. Let's see. All right, there are some materials left here. Oh, okay, sounds like they bought the new materials. Yep, this is it. So as you can see, this is the deck. So they have started the framing, and also for the decking they have already started to do decking. They've come so far right here, but yeah, pretty good progress. And I'm gonna show it from upstairs as well. So for the beams we used 4x4s, and those are like 2x6s for the rafters. And then for all the woods we used the weather treated woods, which are perfect for the outdoors, and those are the railings. All right, so this is how it looks from the upstairs. So the view is actually pretty nice. And then we extended the deck for like 5 feet. So initially, originally it was up to there. So that amount, it's about 5 feet that we extended, because we realized we are already having the materials, and then it'll be a good idea to extend it. So who doesn't like a bigger deck? So we're probably going to be finishing the deck in the next 2-3 days. Now I'm gonna go inside and let you see the progress. All right, so coming to the inside, as you can see, we have had pretty good progress removing the flooring. We had some vinyl flooring up here. We haven't still removed the carpets yet, but that's pretty easy to remove. So the kitchen, one of the main parts is the kitchen. So as you can see, we already removed all the cabinets, all the appliances, and we had a hanging roof, which it was 1 feet lower. We wanted to have a little bit more of high ceiling, so we removed that hanging ceiling. And as you can see, there is still one rafter remaining there, which we're gonna remove that. And all across the kitchen we removed the cabinets and all the appliances. So we're gonna add 4 lights right here, and then we're gonna finish. Same for the flooring right here. So it's pretty good progress in demolishing things. And then going upstairs, if you remember this wall, we had a ugly old wallpaper right here. So we have started to removing those wallpapers. And the next progress is, as you can see, the toilets. So in the master bedroom, again, we were able to remove the cabinet, the vanity, the faucets, and the tiles for the wall and for the flooring. So We're gonna replace the top with the brand new top, but white, replacing the toilet, redo the tiles and everything. Basically, it's gonna be a complete remodeling for the master bathroom. And then moving to the other bathroom. This is the vanity for this one, the second bathroom. Again, removed the vanity, removed the faucets and mirrors. But for this one, we're gonna keep the top because it's in pretty good shape. But we're gonna replace the tiles and we're gonna repaint the whole bathroom. And then for the master bedroom, the plan is like to add a couple ceiling lights right here, and then we're gonna paint all the trims for the doors, for the windows, the ceiling, all the walls. So it's all going to be painted, same as this wall. And then for the high ceiling over here, we're gonna add like 4 ceiling lights as well over there. And after that, we're gonna redo the flooring, with which we're gonna do the engineered hardwood. So yeah, that's pretty exciting progress. Already ordered the hardwoods. They're gonna get here next week. Already ordered the tiles for the bathrooms. Bought the some of the paints. So we're still deciding on the details of the paint and the colors that we were gonna go with. But we already like bought the paint for the ceilings. And yeah, we're in good shape. Next thing will be after demolishing everything and dumping everything. Next thing will be, you know, adding those ceiling lights. Basically, putting all the lights in place and doing the wiring work. And after that, we're gonna refinish all the scars in the kitchen, in the ceiling, and whatever. And then after, basically after refinishing all those scars, we're gonna start painting. And after the painting, like the last step will be hardwood flooring, and then at the same time we're gonna do the remodeling for all the 3 bathrooms. Now I'm gonna show you the basement, because we had a change of plan in basement, which I'm gonna show you right now. So I'm not gonna cut the video from here. So yeah, here's the basement. We're gonna refinish this basement because, you know, it's a 300 square foot basement, which, as you can see, the floor and the walls are concrete. It's not finished, so it totally worth it to finish this. We're gonna redo the hardwood. We're gonna close this wall, and we're gonna create a room. Actually, we're gonna close this wall from here and put a door right here. At the same time, we're gonna put the furnace in a room. We're gonna build a furnace room right here, so it's gonna be like an enclosed room with closet doors right here. And then again, we're gonna add like a few lights in the ceiling to have the light, and this will be refinished. So this is this, and then last thing will be the update for the garage. So let's go to the garage. Oops. As you can see, all the trash is right here right now. You know, everything has removed. We're gonna start dumping these, but for the garage, we're gonna remove all those shelves and old things. And, you know, after removing everything, we're gonna refinish that wall and the ceiling. As you can see, that area of the ceiling, it's basically bare bones with the rafters. So we're gonna add drywalls and refinish the garage door, and most definitely replace that door. Also, we're looking to probably getting a new garage doors. And I think that's about it. I'm optimistic that we can finish this thing in the next probably 30-40 days, but like, fingers crossed. Hopefully everything goes well. Well, that was it. Thanks for watching this video, and please in the comments post if you have any ideas, any thoughts, or any questions. Let me know, and I'll be glad to answer those comments or, you know, learn from your experience basically. So yeah, again, thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned because I'm gonna post new updates as we make progress. Hit the bell so you can receive the notification whenever I post a new update for this house, and stay tuned. Cheers, have fun, enjoy.